how to get Monopoly Go free dice rolls. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. A few safe methods to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go are: first, daily login rewards. Simply logging into the game daily grants you free dice rolls as part of the game's reward system. Second, event participation. Take part in limited time events and challenges, which often reward dice rolls upon completion. Next, friend referrals. Invite friends to play the game. For each friend who joins, you typically receive a bonus of dice rolls. Next, sticker trades. Complete sticker albums by trading with friends, which can unlock additional rewards, including dice. And finally, free code redemption. Check Monopoly Go's official social media platforms and trusted community websites for active reward codes. Redeem them for dice rolls, in-game currency, or collectibles. So, this is how you can get Monopoly Go free dice rolls. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.